Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video of Yummy Bakes. Today's recipe is cheesy sausage pockets. It is very simple to make. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's check out the ingredients for the sausage pocket. We need 7 slices of bread with the edges removed, some water, 4 sausages that are cut in half, some chopped coriander leaves, 7 cheese slices, tomato ketchup, and finally some pepper powder. Now let's see how to prepare the sausage pockets. First, dip the bread in water. Squeeze the water out from the bread by pressing the bread in between the palms. As a result, the bread will become thin. Now place the bread on a plate. Add 1 cheese slice on top. Keep 1 sausage on top. Add little pepper powder and some coriander leaves. Now add the tomato ketchup on top. Join the ends of the bread together. If they are not sticking together properly, apply some water. This will be the end result. Repeat this for all the other slices. Now we need to cover the bread with breadcrumbs. For that we need 2 eggs beaten and some breadcrumbs. You can grind the removed edges of the bread and use it as breadcrumbs. Now take the filled bread and dip it in the egg. Then roll it in the breadcrumbs. Make sure that breadcrumbs does not miss any part of the bread. Repeat this for all the others. Now keep the bread in fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now deep fry the sausage pocket until golden brown. Flip the sausage pocket when one side is done. And we have our sausage pockets. As usual, do try this at your home and comment down below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.